Hello, Mr. Foss. This is a message from the Legion to all Foss fanatics. Over the years, you have enjoyed much freedom. You have not cared a damn about how difficult it is to distribute software products and earn a profit out of it. Everything comes with a price. This free world of freedom that you so desire will always stay your dream. I want to play a game. I am going to wipe the existence of Tux and thus blowing away all the services which run upon the Linux kernel. This means the end to Google, Meta, Twitter, and the internet. By the time you are watching this clip, I have already captured your lovely Tux. The rules are simple. Solve all the challenges if you want to reach to me and have a chance of rescuing your lovely Tux. Hurry up, the clock is ticking. I won't wait long.